Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Alex here. It's been a week since I started learning Python. Python is my first programming language. Everyone was saying that you should start learning Python or JavaScript, so I decided to learn Python first. I think because it's more common, but eventually, like everyone was saying, that you're just going through all of the languages one by one. So first week was like pain in the ass to me because I don't understand anything about programming. I know nothing. I'm like zero. I'm starting from zero. The thing is about programming, it's really hard, especially that English is not my first language. So a lot of the terms and words that I don't understand. I know mathematics, of course, but still, like a lot of the functions, a lot of the concepts, a lot of the things that in Python. I don't know if like all languages are the same or it's like Python is so complicated. I don't know that yet. Please let me know in the comments. Like, am I expected to find all this complicated stuff in all languages or only in Python? But the thing is, the problem is, I don't understand a lot of stuff that I came through so far. I know it's too early and I shouldn't judge it and it's only been a week. I know, but at least like I don't know what class means so far. I don't know how to call a function within I don't know a module or something. I don't know. I don't even know what module mean. So this makes me a little bit frustrated and it needs me double the effort to first translate or like to understand what the terms mean because again English is not my first language, but then most resources, most tutorials, most YouTube videos, most websites are in English. So some of them I understand, but until a certain level that is like so deep and complicated, I don't get that. So I need sometimes to translate some words. I need to um, read more about something only to understand the concept of it and then come back to the original tutorial that I'm watching or the article that I'm reading. So, if you speak English, you're so lucky. If English is your first language, you're so lucky. I'm not jealous, I'm just saying. What I'm wishing to do, what I'm wishing to learn, I think I should take a professional help. Like, I need to pay money for someone who can professionally help me and put me in the right path. I don't know where to search first. I asked my friends, and some of them give me some websites. I haven't checked them yet because that was yesterday. But I don't know. I'm suspecting that learning by myself is doable. Of course, it's doable, but just to shrink a lot of the time and to fill the gap between what I'm about to explore step by step, and that might take me months. So, if my goal and what do I want to achieve and how much time do I have, they would probably put me in the right path and uh, tell me exactly what should I do, when should I do it, what should I start, and what is my next step, and just give me the roadmap for what I'm about to do. By myself, I can explore, I can try to learn by myself. Of course, it's doable, but again, it's gonna take more time, and I just like the road is already long, so I don't want to waste a lot of time trying to figure things out myself. What I'm thinking about is like maybe I can in the future discover new paths for myself, new ways to solve problems, but at least at the beginning, I don't want to feel lost. I want to feel that this is my goal and this is how I can reach it, so I need professional help. If you recommend anyone or any website or any academy, please let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel, that's gonna help me a lot. Give me thumbs up and hit the notification button, that's literally helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next week. I'm gonna update you with what's going on with me. See you later, guys. Bye bye.